The new image playground experience.
Apple seems to be bringing us some new concepts this time, but is it really that new? Hey guys, this is Tenishare AI. Today's video, we are going to talk about Image Playground. Image Playground is part of Appleiintelligence at WWDC24. In short, it's an AI image generator, which runs on device. This means it's totally free and unlimited. This feature is not yet officially available, and we're expected to use the beta version this summer and the full version in the fall. In fact, Image Playground is not really new, we've already seen it in Bing. So what exactly are the surprises of Image Playground? In Apple's introduction, it is able to generate creative images based on the people in your photos, which you can use to communicate in a more enjoyable way. We can choose from 3 unique styles to create images: sketch, illustration, and animation. Best of all, it doesn't need any prompts. Image Playground is built into apps throughout the Apple system, such as Notes, Keynote, and Pages. So how to use it? It's all very simple. First, you can choose from a range of concepts, such as themes, costumes, accessories, places, and so on. When you have a very specific idea, you can simply type in a description and add it to your playground, and you can also easily adjust the style you want to use. If you change your mind in the middle of using it, no problem, just switch back and you'll see the previous preview. Apple has also created a special Image Playground app to make it easier for us to create images to share on other apps or social media. For developers, they can integrate the new Image Playground experience in their app with a new API. One of the most marvelous usage is the Image Wand, which transforms rough sketches into polished images. Simply use the Apple Pencil to draw circles on the sketch to open up the Image Playground, then it can create a perfect image. You can even circle empty space, because Appleiintelligence understands what's in your notes. This makes everything look like magic. Although Apple is way behind in the AI game, they do try to be creative, and that's why we love Apple. Do you think Image Playground is useful? Let me know in the comment section. So, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.